Hey everyone, in this video I'll share with you a pattern called the Mills mess. It looks like this. Let's do it. So if you've already learned the windmill pattern, the Mills mess is just the windmill pattern going in both directions. So windmill pattern is going in this circular motion, and then this other side also circular motion. So Mills mess is just cutting off in the middle and then moving it to the other side. So it's instead of going in the circular motion, it'll go half circle and then move back to this side and then move back to this side and then move back. So it's back and forth. So you cut it off here and then cut it off, shift. So it's a shift of direction. So if you haven't learned the windmill pattern yet, we'll start with 2 bars. So with 2 bars, all we have to do work on is practicing the exchanges, where we will toss the bottom hand, and then also practice when we toss the top hand first. So first we'll practice tossing the bottom hand first. So when we toss the bottom hand first, the top hand will move to the other side, release the ball, and then make the exchange on the other side. So toss, exchange, catch. Your hand will always end up alternating. So if your bottom hand is the right hand, it will end up on the top. Same thing with the left hand. If the left hand's on the top, it will end up on the bottom. So toss, exchange, catch, toss, exchange, catch, toss, exchange, catch, toss. So now we'll toss the top hand first. So when you toss the top hand first, the bottom bar will move to the other side and then make the exchange on the other side. So toss, exchange, catch, toss, exchange, catch. So toss, exchange, catch, toss, exchange, catch. Still the hand will always alternate back and forth, bottom to top and top to bottom. So toss, exchange, catch, toss, exchange, catch, toss, exchange, catch. So now we'll add in the dirt ball. So with the dirt ball, it's a combination of both exchanges. So you'll toss the hand with with 2 balls first. In this case, I'll toss the bottom hand first. You could toss either side, so you can hold it here and then toss the top. But just for right now, I'll toss the bottom first. So when you toss, you make the exchange, catch. So you see, it's a combination of both of the exchanges that we practiced earlier. So be toss, exchange, finish. 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 So we slowly continue the pattern by adding a toss into it. So we just don't finish. So toss, exchange, make an extra toss in there. Toss, exchange, toss in there. Toss, exchange, toss. So it's just adding an extra toss into the exchange. And then when you get comfortable enough, you just continue the pattern by not ending it. So it's toss, exchange, toss, exchange, toss. So it's always going to be toss, exchange, toss again, and then you continue the exchange, toss, exchange, toss. So it's just back and forth. So well, that's it. That's the Mills mess. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, remember to click on the like button below and subscribe to the channel for other videos. See ya!